In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch link in Bluebeam. If you work with long plan sets or multi-document packages, batch link can save you a ton of time by automatically creating hyperlinks between sheets and references so you can jump straight to the detail or page you need without hunting around. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. You can begin with a single file. If you're building links across a set, you will add the rest in just a moment. Make sure the file you open is the version you intend to use, because the links will be created directly in it. Next, go to the top menu and choose Document, then Batch, and then Link. This opens the Batch Link dialog, which is the control center for everything you're about to automate. If this is your first time here, don't worry. The workflow is straightforward and you'll see a guided sequence of options. Inside the Batch Link dialog, click Add Files to select the PDFs you want to include. You can choose one file or an entire folder of drawings at once. If your references cross between documents, include all of them here so the tool can connect across the whole set. You'll see the selected files listed, which makes it easy to confirm you've got everything you need before moving on. Now choose the link type. You'll typically pick between page labels and text search. Page labels is ideal when your sheets have consistent, meaningful labels like A1001 or S3.2. Bluebeam can match those labels wherever they're referenced. Text search is great when links should be built from phrases or patterns in the content, such as see detail or refer to sheet. For text search, be mindful that scanned or low-quality text can affect accuracy. Clean, selectable text produces the best results. Pick the option that matches how your set is organized and how references appear on the pages. Click Next to review the settings before creating links. This is your chance to double-check the file list, page ranges, and recognition options. If you're using text search, confirm whether case sensitivity or whole word matching makes sense for your set. You can also review link appearance settings so the resulting hyperlinks are easy to see without distracting from the content. When everything looks right, click Create Links. Bluebeam will process your selection and build the hyperlinks automatically. Depending on the number and size of your files, this can take a moment. When it's done, your documents will contain clickable links that take you directly to the reference pages, making navigation faster and more accurate.